Why does my ELCB trip during a thunderstorm, and how can I prevent it? Welcome to this presentation on why earth leakage circuit breakers, or ELCBs, trip during thunderstorms, and how we can prevent it. Introduction. An ELCB is a safety device that protects us from electric shock by detecting leakage currents. During thunderstorms, lightning can cause high voltage surges. These surges travel through the wiring and appliances, creating leakage to the ground. As a result, the ELCB trips to keep you safe. Why ELCBs trip during thunderstorms? Let's understand the causes in detail. Lightning generates extremely high voltage surges that can enter through power lines. These surges often cause temporary ground leakage through fault